Whoa! What is this place?
Puppy Playground!
Wow! Wonder what this is. Ooh, spinny! Make that cool and delicious. I'll stick with this. Comfy cozy.
Shiny buttons! What does this do?
Awesome!
Darlings, please. All that racket is making my fur ache.
Huh?
What is this place?
Do you live here?
What's your name?
I am Archibauld the Third, and this is my abode.
Nice to meet you, Archie.
Oh, not Archie, my little dumpling. It's Archibauld the Third. I come from a champion line of Archibalds. I myself was best in show 4 times running.
What show?
Oh, so precious.
Sure is big for just one dog. You live here all by yourself?
Alas, I do now. My little mates, Archibald the Fourth, Archibald the Fifth, and Archibald the Sixth, have all moved on to the dog pageant circuit.
That's a lot of Archibalds.